The rate limit exceeded error on Twitter typically occurs when you have made too many requests to Twitter servers in a short amount of time. Example, liking, retweeting, or following too many accounts too quickly. So here is how you can resolve it on iPhone. Twitter imposes rate limits to prevent spammy behavior, so the limit will reset after a short period, typically 12 to 24 hours depending on how many requests you have made. So once the time has passed, check if you can like, retweet, or follow again. If this does not work, then simply go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Inside Settings, tap on the General. Inside General, tap on the iPhone Storage. Now inside the iPhone Storage, you'll get to see a long list of apps option available. From there, look for the Twitter and tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on the Twitter. Once you tap on the Twitter, you can see Upload app option available there. Upload the Twitter app. So what happens is it will remove the cache from your TikTok app and make sure to reinstall it. After you do so, log out and log back into your TikTok. Logging out and logging back in can help resolve temporary glitches. So open the Twitter, then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings and privacy from there. Then tap on the account option available. Then tap on the account information, and there you can see logout option available. Log out, confirm your logout, and after logging out, wait a moment and log back in to see if the issue persists. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.